Fighters, we are General Ntantla Mkhwanazi, and General Ntantla Mkhwanazi is us. We support General Ntantla Mkhwanazi. We are not ashamed of General Ntantla Mkhwanazi. We are calling upon more Mkhwanazis in the police to come out and fight crime and syndicate that has captured the police, that has captured our country. We will not sit back and allow our country to be controlled by drug syndicate. We say to Mkhwanazi, do not be shaken, because if they fire you, there is a position for you in the EFF so that we can continue to fight corruption in South Africa. Is the EFF. Comrades, we have established an ad hoc committee in Parliament, and that ad hoc committee is going to investigate all the allegations leveled by Ntantla Mkhwanazi and every other relevant information that exists in society must come to Parliament. We want the people of Mitchells Plain to come to Parliament and tell us who are the drug lords and who is fighting drugs. We want to know where the guns come from in the Cape Flats, in Khayelitsha. You, the people, know the truth. This is the time, this is the platform to expose the rot. Do not be scared. The killing of our children must be stopped now. Mkhwanazi opened the way. We must join in Mkhwanazi and restore peace and order in South Africa. Fighters, the Commission of Inquiry on Mkhwanazi's issues is a bluff, it's not real. What happened to Zondo Commission? Who was charged after Zondo Commission? It is very clownish for Ramaphosa to leave Mchunu as a minister and say, I've put him on a special leave. What kind of special leave is that? Where do you get that in the Constitution, that a minister can be put on a special leave? Why is Ramaphosa playing with our money and having two ministers, Minister of Police Mchunu on special leave and Minister Khatshaliya? That is corruption, that is wasting money, that is not available. We call on the president to fire Mchunu with immediate effect so that we don't have two ministers.